You don't already know? We're playing Love Balls!
Good morning and welcome to the channel. I'm Allie and this is the Auto Alley. We're heading over to my dad's today, again. We're going to try and get some work done. I'm thinking on the MGA, maybe we're going to do a little bit on the 66 because, yeah, something came in for it. It's going to be pretty cool. If the weather holds off, I'm going to try and do a little bit on Jeremy's truck, but it all depends on the weather because if it's going to rain, I can't really do anything. So, hold on. Let's head on over.
Great intro.
Ooh, I love parts deliveries. Original rally pack out of a Mustang. Bolts right up to the bottom of the steering column. And wires in. This is a factory option. It's going to look really cool in that 66. But not today. Definitely good to have around.
I don't know if to drive, but I guess they can go on, huh? These are open up. This close over and fired up.
Pretty close. We'd have to wire it, but you know.
I wonder.
That may be. You got an extension, Pop?
Good. Wood that ran on the pipe with this paint.
There we go. We got us closer.
I know this pipe goes somewhere around them
Yep.
side plates.
These carbs definitely need cleaned up and rebuilt.
I was
But
going to cut the grass, and I didn't. Now what?
yeah. And then these plates are the air cleaners. You can see how far this thing's hang out into the body. Unreal how far they come out. And they're a pain to work on in the car, aren't they, Papa? That was probably the worst thing to get out on this car. Pulling the motor. So these edges need rebuilt to look like that and that. Alright, you said we got a cup over here?
She said, pick your puppy.
Alright, so from that to that. Obviously I have to do a little bit of cleanup, just finalize it, but a little bit of blending. Throw one hole, that piece is repaired. Now we have to do this panel and down this way, which is going to be a pain. Please stop moving that around.
Want me to go?
No.
I'm not sure myself. I might be wrong.
Shake it, Papa. Are you videoing right now?
Yep.
Lots of lovely pictures of Dad dancing.
I can edit it out.
I liked it.
You saying you want to put it in just for you, so when you watch it, you can see Papa dancing?
You guys see whatever it says to Suzuki out there.
Phillips screwdriver. Okay guys, so I'm home, I'm showered. I gotta do all this editing. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It's a lot of work and I'm really trying to show you guys more of the intricacies of what we're dealing with. But I finished off probably about 8 o'clock, and I was just done. I needed a shower. I was dirty, but made a lot of good headway. Plenty more to do tomorrow, so stay tuned, and I'll see you on the flip side. Say hi, Jack.